Welcome to how to use the migration agent for Exchange, collection, and mailbox statistics option using PowerShell. This is for Migration Manager for Exchange. I'm Chris Hawley. I'm one of the Senior Enterprise Tech Support Advisors here at Quest Software. Okay, here we are. We're back in my lab again. So I've already gone through, imported my PowerShell commandlet, kind of save us some time. And there's two types of statistics that we can gather using PowerShell. We can gather them from both our collections and from our individual mailboxes. And really all they are is a PowerShell copy of what we see here in our GUI. So here is my source and target organization pair. It will have a list of collections, and I've only got one mailbox in my collection, so this is why it's showing one. And I did a resync of it earlier, so it's already switched into everything. And then the next one that we can gather is our mailbox statistics, which again, it's just a straight copy of what we see in our GUI. So why do we have these statistics for PowerShell? Because unlike our GUI, we're able to export those collections in PowerShell to a comma-separated value sheet so that we can use it for any type of reporting tools or if we want to generate reports, because there's no way that we can export our statistics from our GUI into that CSV. So we have to use PowerShell to do it, and I'm actually going to show you how to do that. But first, let's just go ahead and open up some of these commands so that you can see what the syntax is for each one. So we're going to go over the collection statistics first. Here we go. Simple git dash mmex collection statistics. I'm not going to bother typing out the rest of the string right now. We're just going to hit enter, and it's going to prompt you for the type of collection. In my case, it'll be a mail sync, but you can also do a calendar sync or a native move sync, depending on what's configured. And the name of the collection. In my case, it's Lunith. And here we go. It's the exact duplicate of what we saw on the GUI. Nothing special that we can change. We're just getting the statistics. So let's do the same thing for the mailbox collection. Mailbox statistics. This time we'll just type in the type. It's a mail sync. And the name. Again, it's Lunith. Helps if I type it in right. And here we go. It's going to tell me exactly what the GUI did, that it's a switched mailbox, it's at 100%, everything was processed with no failed items. Now, with large migrations, all this stuff's going to be different, and you're going to have a huge long list. So how do we export it to a comma-separated value sheet? Thankfully, I have our documentation brought up, and it's this nice little command here. And what it's going to do is pull the information that it needs. Whoops, that's not what I wanted. It's going to pull the information out and build a comma-separated value sheet for us. But first we have to change out a few things. Okay, the name is Lunith. And there we go. Let's check to see if it created that Excel sheet. Here it is. I'm just going to open it in Notepad because I don't have Excel. And here we go. It'll give us an entire list of what the collection is, collection ID, everything else. So can we do that for the actual mailbox? So we're going to change this out here to mailbox statistics. And we're going to have to change what I think I accidentally hit the up arrow. And we'll just do Lunith again. And there we go. Let's check it out. There's the mailbox. And there we have it. So from here, we can use this CSV file to make any types of reports, any fancy Excel sheets with graphs on them. And that's all there really is to it when it comes to exporting the statistics to some data that you can use to report. If you'd like to know more, you can go to support.quest.com, and from there you can reach out to us via our live help chat or through a service request, and you can also contact us through our community page, which is kind of like our forums. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you later.